We're going to show you how to install the Olixar film screen protector. In the box you'll get 2 film screen protectors, you'll get a squeegee, a microfiber cloth, 2 wet wipes, 2 sets of dust removal stickers, and a small installation jig that you'll insert in the bottom of the phone. The first thing you'll want to do is turn off your device. Now grab the installation jig and insert it into the USB-C port at the bottom of the phone. Grab the wet wipe and wipe the display clean. Then grab the microfiber cloth and dry the screen, ensuring no moisture remains. Now you can grab the dust sticker and dab them all over the display, making sure no dust remains on the screen either. Next, insert the film screen protector on the installation jig, then hold the top tab and grab the squeegee and push it up the phone towards the camera, making sure that it stays in line. Now spin the phone around and repeat the same process by grabbing the bottom tab. Pull it towards yourself, then grab the squeegee again and push it all the way up the phone. Now grab the microfiber cloth and wipe the whole screen, making sure you stick the sides down on the S23 Ultra as they are curved. Finally, you can remove the protective plastic on top of the screen protector. Now you should see a perfect installation.